The trial for a La Crosse man accused of killing his former girlfriend began today. The prosecution and Erik Sackett's lawyer interviewed several potential jurors. News 8's Jordan Fremstead is live outside the La Crosse County Courthouse with more. Jordan?
Yeah, good evening, Martha. Well, the prosecution and the defense have been interviewing several of those perceived jury members today, and they've come up with 14 names, and those names will be tasked with the responsibility over the next 2 weeks of listening to evidence and deciding whether or not Erik Sackett killed his former girlfriend.
A 2-week trial of Erik Sackett is underway. The man accused of killing 39-year-old Erin Sackett. Sacket's body was found in a Vernon County lake in June of last year, a few weeks after her father reported her missing. According to the criminal complaint, Sackett is accused of killing Sackett at her home in La Crosse and then dumping her body in Vernon County. Sackett told investigators he had last seen Sackett on June 3rd at his home. The police investigation found he had been at her apartment multiple times that day. Her body was recovered in Rung Hollow Lake on June 17th, with 2 concrete blocks tied to her with ropes and a chain. That's the same lake both had been to before while visiting family. Sackett was arrested on August 8, 2018, after a pathologist found Sackett died of homicidal violence. La Crosse County District Attorney Tim Grinke is expected to argue Sackett killed her after the two got into an argument about their relationship. Sackett's lawyer, Christopher Zacher, is accusing another man in her death, her doctor, David Ansrud. The motion says the former Mayo Clinic Health System doctor had a sexual relationship with Sackett. Judge Elliot Levine sided with the defense in September, saying he was unsure whether Ansrud killed her, but he said there was an opportunity for him to move the body, just like there was for Sackett.
Now, as standard practice in a jury trial, the jury members involved in this case will not be allowed to discuss the case outside the 4 walls of this courthouse, and the prosecution cannot bring up any of Sackett's previous criminal history, and that includes a 2012 conviction of second-degree sexual assault. Reporting outside the La Crosse County Courthouse, Jordan Fremstead, News 8.
Thanks so much, Jordan. Also, the jury will hear opening statements from both sides starting tomorrow morning at 8:45.